Students, so previous class example number 18 completed. Now start example number 19. Example number 19. Rationalize the denominator 5 upon root 3 minus root 5. Rationalize the denominator, and denominator having two terms. So for rationalizing, multiply conjugate of denominator. So what is the conjugate of root 3 minus root 5? This is a denominator. So its conjugate is root 3 plus root 5. So multiply. So 5 into root 3 plus root 5 by root 3 minus root 5 into root 3 plus root 5. Multiply conjugate of denominator. So this equal to 5 into root 3 plus root 5. Now use identity a minus b into a plus b. So a square then minus root 5 square. So this is equal to 5 into root 3 plus root 5. Root 3 square is 3 minus root 5 square is 5. Now subtract. So 5 into root 3 plus root 5 upon minus 2. And this negative sign taking numerator, denominator having no negative sign. So this can written minus 5 into root 3 plus root 5 by 2. So this is the rationalizing of denominator. Now example number 20. Prince ko bitha do. Now example number 20. Example number 20. Same rationalizing. So multiply conjugate of denominator, same as example number 19. So this is a homework. Now exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5. Question number 1. One is classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. First, 2 minus root 5 is an irrational number. 2 minus root 5 irrational. And second 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Which type of this number? Rational or irrational? Which type? Rational or irrational? So first simplify it. This equal to, if bracket open, 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. This becomes cancelled. So value of this is equal to 3, which is rational. So this number is a rational number. Similarly, third, root 7 cancel. So 2 by 7 is a rational number. 1 by root 2 irrational. Every root form number irrational. And pi is an irrational. So 2 pi also irrational. Now question number 2. Simplify. Same discuss previous example. So आप सिंपली फार्मूला यूज़ करके आप सिंपल इंटू कर दो. सिंप्लीफाई एक क्वेश्चन जैसे आप देख लो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का फर्स्ट सिंप्लीफाई 3 प्लस रूट 3 इंटू 2 प्लस रूट 2. नाउ सिंप्लीफाई. सो ओपन द ब्रैकेट. 3 इंटू 2 6. 3 इंटू प्लस रूट 2. So plus 3 root 2. Now plus root 3 into 2. So plus 2 root 3. Now root 3 into root 2. Root 6. So this is the product. This is the product of first question. Same use identity in second, use identity a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. In third, using a plus b whole square, and fourth also use a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. One more part, suppose fourth, root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. Simplify. So use identity here, a use identity a minus b into a plus b, and since a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, this is the identity. So use this identity. Here a is equal to root 5, so root 5 square, and b is equal to root 2, so root 2 square, and this becomes root 5 square is equal to 5, and root 2 square is equal to 2, this becomes 3. Same as question number second and third. Question number 3, recall pi is defined as the ratio of circumference, say C, of a circle to its diameter d. आप प्रीवियस क्लास में पढ़े हो, circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, or C is equal to 2r is equal to d, so it can written pi d. So C is equal to pi d, therefore the value of pi is equal to C by d. It is given pi is equal to C by d. This means to contradict the fact that pi is irrational, but pi given irrational, and circumference of any circle is a rational, and diameter be also rational, and division of two rational number is a rational number, but right side is a rational number and left side pi is an irrational number. So it is contradict, because is rational number not is equal to rational number. So how it possible? Pi is equal to C by t. So here pi is an irrational number, and when put approximate value of pi, that is 22 by 7, when put here pi 22 by 7, then this value 2 pi r is equal to approx is equal to its circumference. C not is equal to 2 pi r. This is not exact value of circumference. This is the approximate value, not exact value. So it is contradict, because pi is an irrational and this number is a rational, because this is the not exact value of pi. So next question, question number 4. Question number 4, listen carefully, important question. Question number 4, represent a square root 9.3. Represent a square root 9.3 on the number line. नंबर लाइन पर रिप्रेजेंट करनी है स्क्वायर रूट 9.3. सो फर्स्ट ड्रॉ ए लाइन सेगमेंट ऑफ एनी लेंथ, देन टेक आर्क ऑफ लेंथ 9.3. अब कंपास पे मेजर कर लो 9.3, कंपास पे कर लेंगे मेजर 9.3, और इस पॉइंट पे रख करके कट कर दो इसे. यह पॉइंट सपोज कर लिए एंड दिस वन पॉइंट सपोज बी, एंड दिस लेंथ इज 9.3. ये लेंथ सपोज के 9.3, तब 9.3 मेजर कर लो और ए पॉइंट से कट कर देंगे. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, नाउ टेक अनदर मोर आर्क 1 सेंटीमीटर. आप वन मोर आर्क टेकिंग 1 सेंटीमीटर, तो आप कंपास पे 1 सेंटीमीटर आर्क ले लो और यह बी पॉइंट पे कट कर देंगे. बी पॉइंट से, यह बी पॉइंट से कट कर दी. यह पॉइंट सपोज कर लिए सी, that is length of BC is equal to 1 unit, that is 1 centimeter. Now we draw semicircle. We suppose AC as a diameter. Now draw semicircle. We suppose AC is a diameter. So for semicircle, first we find its center. Then center is the mid value of AC. So take more than half arc, कंपास पे more than half arc सपोज कर लो, और इस A पॉइंट पे रखकर कट करेंगे, नीचे भी कट करेंगे, A पॉइंट पर कैसे कट करेंगे, फिर C पॉइंट पर कट करेंगे, ये दोनों पर कट कर दिए. देन टू ज्वाइन, ये ज्वाइन कर दिए. दिस पॉइंट सपोज O. So O is the mid point of AC. Now we draw a semicircle whose center O and radius OA. तो अब कंपास पे OA मेज़र कर लो, कंपास पे हम लेंथ मेज़र कर लेंगे OA एंड ड्रॉ ए सेमी सर्कल, या सेंटर सपोज कर लिए और सेमी सर्कल बना दिए, यह सेंटर सपोज किए, यह सर्कल बना दिए, यह सर्कल सेमी सर्कल, ये ड्रॉ कर दिए सेमी सर्कल. सो दिस O is the, this point O is the center. Now find AC. Since AC can retain AB plus BC, AB plus BC, and what is AB? 9.3, and what is BC? Is 1. So add it, 10.3. So AC is equal to 10.3. Now find, now we draw 90 degree at point B. इस B पॉइंट पे 90 एंगल बनाना है. तो अब कंपास ले लो, कंपास पे इस पॉइंट पे रख करके एक आर्क ले लेंगे, ये आर्क ले लिए, इस पॉइंट से कट करेंगे 60, फिर यहाँ से कट करेंगे 120, फिर यहाँ से कट करेंगे और यहाँ से भी कट करें. दिस इज एंगल 90 एंड सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज D. दिस एंगल मेक्स 90 डिग्री. देन टू ज्वाइन OD, ये OD को ज्वाइन कर लिए. सो हियर AC इज इक्वल टू 10.3. देयरफॉर व्हाट इज OC? सिंस OC is equal to AC by 2, because OC is the radius, so radius is equal to half of diameter, so OC is equal to AC by 2, and AC is equal to 10.3 by 2, 10.3 by 2. This is the value of OC. Now find value of OB. This OC can retain OB plus BC is equal to 10.3 by 2. This OC can retain OB plus BC, and put value OB, right here OB, BC equal to what? 1. So OB plus 1 is equal to 10.3 by 2. This one taking right side. So find OB, 10.3 by 2 minus 1. So taking LCM 2, so 10.3 minus 2, that is 8.3 by 2. This is the value of OB. Now in the right angle triangle, OBD, in the right angle triangle OBD, use Pythagoras theorem. Since H square is equal to P square plus B square, so H is OD, OD is the hypotenuse, perpendicular BD, BD square, and base is OB, OB is the base. Put all the values. Here OD is also equal to OC, because OD is the radius and OC also radius, and OC is equal to 10.3 by 2. This also equal to OD, because OD is equal to OC, both are radius. So put value OD. OD is 10.3 by 2 whole square is equal to BD square plus OB. And what is value OB? OB is 8.3 by 2 whole square. Now simplify and find the value of BD. So this equal to BD square. BD square is equal to 10.3 by 2 whole square minus 8.3 by 2 whole square. अलग अलग स्क्वायर कर दें. So this 10.3 whole square by 4 minus 8.3 whole square and 2 square 4. Now simplify. So BD square is equal to, taking LCM 4, so 10.3 whole square minus 8.3 whole square. Here LCM 4 and 4 LCM 4. This equal to, now use